y'all know I'm looking rough as hell. Back in Atlanta, man, and we get straight to business. I landed this morning from Canada. Canada was cool. Line number 3. Not my favorite. Canada was alright. I give it alright vibes or whatnot. But I'm about to do a shoot with literally probably now my dream car. One of my dream cars. The Cybertruck. That bitch so fucking fire, y'all. Oh my god. Look at that motherfucker. Alright, y'all. So basically the vibe is a birthday shoot. You know what I'm saying? Type of vibe, but we wanted to go somewhere a little bit more disclosed and just kind of like have our own little vibes going. So we got a parking garage right now. Just a little test of me testing out the microphone. Oh yeah, I see the little signal. I see. Okay, cool. I'm about to get some content today, you guys, so I want to make sure that I'm able to be heard while recording this content because it's going to be an outdoor shoot and I just want to be heard. I just want everybody to be able to hear exactly what I'm saying. Idle time.
I'm getting oysters. What you getting? What up?
She and this bitch over cozy, y'all. Like, damn. We got our food. We got us some oysters. How you like it? Y'all see it? Crispy. Put a little lemon on it. So we went to park the car and we actually supposed to be doing a shoot today. But look what we buy. We buy big unk, so we finna try to finesse and get some pictures real quick. So I told y'all we found a Cybertruck, so we finna get some looks in real quick. It's gonna be something like this. We need to keep it kind of tight. That's cute stuff. Go, come to the side a little bit. This ain't professional, but okay. I said okay.
Okay.
All right. Top 5 motherfucking security of the world. He pulled up in the motherfuckers. His ass pulled up on the motherfucking bike, 3-wheeler. He said I gotta put my tripod up, so I'm finna show y'all something. Wow. What else you wanna do? You wanna look at him?